I compared Canva and Adobe Express, and honestly, they're both solid design tools, but they excel at different things. Canva is the go-to option for quick, polished designs with minimal effort. It has thousands of templates, super easy drag-and-drop editing, and a huge library of graphics, fonts, and AI tools. It's perfect for social media posts, thumbnails, posters, and simple branding. The learning curve is almost zero, which is why so many beginners love it. Adobe Express, on the other hand, feels more refined in terms of image quality and brand-friendly features. It ties into the Adobe ecosystem, which means you get access to Adobe fonts, Firefly AI tools, and better photo editing capabilities. It's cleaner, more professional, and produces slightly higher quality visuals. But it's not as flexible or as fast for everyday content compared to Canva's massive template library. The biggest difference is workflow. Canva is better for rapid content creation. Adobe Express is better for people who want a lightweight Adobe quality editor without learning Photoshop or Illustrator. So which is better? If speed, templates, and ease of use matter most, Canva wins. If you want more polish, better photo tools, and tighter brand consistency, Adobe Express is the stronger choice.